Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view of the cryptocurrencies as well today. So first of all, I would like to announce the new fundamental monthly report that we have prepared on the Bitcoin market and in general on the crypto market, where we're analyzing actually the legacy of the FTX collapse, current new sentiment on the market that drastically has changed compared to the end of October, the new targets that market society pointing for the Bitcoin destination, some forecasts as usual, analysis of the market structure, mostly based on the Glassnode analysis, Glassnode company. Well, and a few other moments that in general led us to create the overall picture of the market right now and make our own conclusion of what to expect and make some forecasts concerning the possible performance of the Bitcoin market. Now let's take a look on the technical picture. So first of all, on the weekly chart, we do not have really big changes. Most important thing here is very low volatility in the 3 recent weeks that we discussed, and that usually leads to some extension. Should be some strong action in one or other direction based on the overall fundamental picture and in general on the performance, and actually even with the particular this butterfly, the market has just dropped, shown tail close and still flat. Usually this is a sign of the downward continuation, and we still think that target around 12.25 absolutely reasonable, and we suggest that in the midterm Bitcoin should reach it. So on the weekly chart we do not have actually some big changes. On the lower time frame, as we said last update on Monday, that market could show some upward action. It's just because on the intraday chart we said if even pullback will happen, it will be based on the reverse hand and shoulders chart. But still, we are not considering investing. We're not considering taking the long position, despite that market could show some pullback somewhere to the 1750 area or somewhere to this level. It's just because mostly this pullback will be temporal. And indeed, as you could see, it has been triggered by the Jerome Powell recent comments that we've heard yesterday. Since we in general expect upward action, some upward continuation in other markets as well. So today we talked about the coal market, euro currency. Probably on the Bitcoin, it also could try to climb a bit higher. So currently, we consider a few targets, but we do not think that it will be sharp reversal and starting with something really big and bullish. This will be very temporary, short term. So that's actually as we discussed it on Monday. So recall what we said: XOP major 618 support 1597 16 even. If you'd like to take the long position, that the culmination point where you have to make the decision. So whether you will take position or not, it doesn't matter right now. So if you did, currently definitely should be absolutely happy, and placing stop below this area now is moving to break even or even higher. And actually the hand shoulders start pretty nice. Now speaking about the targets, it will be better to consider on the follow time frame chart. We have the basic extension of the hand and shoulders pattern. This market actually completed the OP target. It's almost completed. 1733. It's already done. Potentially, it might happen that we could get action to the XOP because, as I said, we also expect some upward continuation in other markets, and Bitcoin could follow the common trend, especially if we will get more or less positive payrolls on Friday. It could support market, let them to climb slightly higher. So we think that the ultimate target of this action on the Bitcoin will be around 18 even, 1815 area. This will be XOP. It stands around the 1780 fib level. And take a look here, we have the natural resistance. Recall our former consolidation that we were trading last month. That is lower border of this consolidation. This will be the natural barrier for the market to climb higher. Besides, as you can see, this area between 18 and 1850, this is not just the XOP. If you'll take a look at the daily chart, you will see that this is also will be confluence resistance. So here, as you can see, 1775, 30% level on the daily chart. On the following time frame chart, you have 1850, 618 resistance. So here will be some kind of the additional resistance exists. So we think that 1815 area will be the ultimate destination of this retracement. Potentially, bears could start watching for this level. I don't want to say that you should blindly just take the short position there, but potentially it might be very comfortable and good area to consider taking the short position in this area. So really big chances stand that downside action could be reestablished right from there. So that's what we have currently on the cryptocurrency.